Hey everybody. If you've had a chronic cough for weeks and weeks and you've noticed that your voice is changing, you have increased hoarseness, maybe you're clearing your throat a whole bunch, maybe you feel like there's a hand here or some tightness at the level of your throat. You've been to see some doctors, you've been to see your primary care doc, you've been to see an ENT, and no one can really figure out what's going on with you. I can tell you what is probably going on with you. You probably have something called laryngopharyngeal reflux, or LPR. This is also known as silent reflux. I will show you what the problem is and how we fix it. So in classic acid reflux, you have acid coming up the esophagus and it's hitting the lower part of your esophagus, and it's triggering inflammation in this area. And you may have burning below your breastbone, which is called heartburn, or you may feel regurgitation, like stuff going all the way up into the back of your throat. You also may have swelling in this area, which causes trouble swallowing. In LPR, you may have the same things going on, but because we don't have a lot of nerves in this area, we don't necessarily feel that problem. The problem is being felt more at the top part of the esophagus, at the upper esophageal sphincter, and also at the area in your throat with your vocal cords, which is all the way up here. And so in that problem, you can have non-acidic reflux, even if you're on anti-reflux medications. So stuff is coming down from the duodenum down here and coming all the way up with digestive enzymes and hitting this area and partially digesting this area. Pepsin, trypsin. Trypsin's made in the duodenum and it helps to digest your food, and same with pepsin. Pepsin's made in the stomach and it can come up even if you're taking antacid medications. And so all of this trouble can tell the vagus nerve, the inflammation in this area can tell the vagus nerve to send a signal up to the top and cause you to cough and have trouble clearing your throat. But also just the direct injury of the enzymes coming up and hitting the top of your esophagus can cause all those symptoms: throat clearing, chronic cough. The digestive enzymes and bile can hit your vocal cords and cause voice changes and hoarseness in your voice. And so really all of this stuff, even though it seems like it's coming from your throat and the upper part of your sinuses, it's actually coming from all the way down in the stomach, which is the process called LPR. People who have LPR, they typically are having more reflux events while they're standing upright versus laying flat. Classic reflux, more people have symptoms when they're laying flat. So this is a uncommon, but unfortunately does affect people and causes them to suffer quite a bit. And most doctors don't know why this is. So if you think that you may have LPR, it's important to get this checked out by a specialist. And you need to have a test that looks for both acidic and non-acid reflux coming up into your throat, called a 24-hour pH study. Once that's done, if that's actually true that you have LPR, then you can talk to a doctor about fixing the problem. Unfortunately, this is very hard to treat because the medications that block acid, like I mentioned, do not fix the underlying problem. And so the underlying problem is usually treated with a minimally invasive surgery. The outcomes are excellent for the right people, but you just need to be the right person. So you need to really make sure that whoever you see, they do very good testing to make sure that you're the right fit for the procedure. The good news is that people who have been suffering for years, oftentimes they're looking around and they have no options. They don't know who to turn to. But if they can get the procedure done, they get better immediately. And all of the damage that was going on to their throat, it starts to heal and get better. And they just have major, major improvements in their lives because they're not suffering. If you have these problems, consider calling us if you live in the San Francisco Bay Area. We see patients like this every week, and we diagnose and treat them and take care of them. And the person who trained me, who's up on the wall up here, actually, Dr. Job, he invented the catheter tests that are used to diagnose LPR. So he trained me, and so we're very well trained in this office to be able to recognize and take care of these problems. All right, hope you guys have a good day. Thank you.